Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can incorporate a weaving technique into your macrame projects. This weaving technique is the simple or plain weaving technique, also known as the Tabby weave. To begin this project, I went ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod and tied 1 row of horizontal double half hitch knots. This just provides a nice space to include the weaving into. To begin this technique, I'm going to bring in a new rope and I'm going to begin weaving it through these ropes, going under, over, under, and over. And just to make it a little easier to see what I'm doing, I will be working in sections of 2. So I'm going to start by going under these first 2 ropes. I'm going to leave off a little tail, and this is going to make it easier for when you tuck your ends in after you finish doing your woven section. So I'm going to go over then the next 2 ropes. Then I'm going to go under the next 2 ropes. Then over. Then under and back over. And I'm just going to pull that through. And that's all we're doing. Now to go back across, we're going to take that same rope and we're going to go under, over, under, over, under, and back over. You're just going to pull that through. And when you get to the end here, pull it gently so that you don't warp your rope, because if you pull it too tight, it's going to pull in and you'll start getting a kind of disfigured look. So just a gentle pull right there on the end, and then push everything down with your fingers. If you ever get confused about if you should be going over or under, just look at the previous row. So as you can see here, I was over, which meant this row right above needed to go under. So you're always doing the opposite of what you did last. Just like that. To tuck in your pieces, all you do is flip your project around. And this is what it looks like turned around, so it basically looks exactly the same as the front side. But what we can do is take our ends here and just kind of weave them right underneath a few of your rows, and you just gently pull it through. You want to be a little gentle, but this is what's gonna hide it and tuck it in and secure it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.